Hello everybody! If you don't know me, I am Brooke and I travel full-time in my Honda CRV with my dog Pippa. There, she's sleeping. But today we are going to be cleaning out my car. Recently I had gone to my storage unit, got rid of a bunch of stuff. I actually put a seat back in the front. If you missed that, that is in my Denver vlog, and I showed my storage unit and all that stuff. But I have then since been traveling and never really fully cleaned and organized everything after I dropped a bunch of stuff at my storage unit. So today we're going to take everything out, do a deep clean, and then organize everything and put it back in since I moved stuff around in here. That's pretty much what we're gonna do today. Can't hear it. It's super windy today. Probably not the best day to clean out my entire car, but if you go back and watch my other deep clean video, it was really windy that day too. I've been kind of cooped up in the car for the last couple days because of the wind here, and I can't sit here for one more day. So we've got to take everything out, air everything out, and reset, refresh. So that's what we're gonna do. I may just have to talk over some of the clips though because of the wind, so you can just watch. Let's get to cleaning. So here we have what I started with. It is super messy. Like I said, I just kind of reshoved everything back in here after I went to the storage unit, and then I've been traveling. So, ooh, look at all that pollen on my car. I have trash in here, of course, and everything that got shoved underneath my bed is not organized at all. So we are going to take care of all of that. And up front isn't actually too bad because that's where I do most of my work, so I keep that pretty clean. But I have my laundry that needs to go actually in the laundry bag, everything like that. So let's get to it. Here's what everything looks like taken out. It's actually not too terrible. In person, it obviously looked a lot more dusty than here, but you can also see too that my duct tape floors have held up pretty well. They're scuffed, but that's because I was taking stuff in and out this week. And here is the pile of all of my stuff outside. I get a few questions sometimes why I don't have rooftop storage, and it's because this is literally everything I own. It's not that much. And here is the front piece, all vacuumed and wiped down. As you can see, again, my duct tape floors are holding up just fine. I'm not going to have to retape them today, which is really nice. Pippa's over it. She hates sitting up front while I do this. She refuses to sit outside. So I just wiped everything down, and the plastic is scuffed, and I know that makes it look dirty, but I mean, I can't do anything about it. Here's another angle from the back, just showing all of the nice hard work that I've done. And yeah, we're about to put everything back in. As I was putting the bed back in, I realized this was the perfect time to take out the previous nails from where I had different legs from when the bed was pushed forward. So I just fixed those, took all those nails out, reinforced the legs that fit now, and then unscrewed all of anything that was poking through so I wouldn't have anything to snag underneath the bed. And here we have a nice clean car. As you can see, I put my Blue Yeti underneath and I have my tools and everything like that stored right underneath it. Pippa's dog food and just like her bowl. And then I have so much of that space now underneath the bed that's free and clear and open and nail free. Back here is where I have my cooler, my water, everything like that I normally do, my clothes, my stove, my little wipes. And then back here I just put my down comforter so I can reach it easily and my cleaning supplies. And then underneath the bed now is completely clear so I can put my chairs and my table. And then on this side I just have my winter jacket, Pippa's winter jacket, and our cover sheet for if we ever need it. My tripod and my fan are down there too. And then on this side I have my shower like normal so I can just open the door and wash my hands, and then just the other end of that bin. And then now I get to be able to pull this seat forward, which is so nice, and why I love having it like this so much. So my shower bag is right here, and then my laundry is right underneath, so when I go to the laundromat I can just pull it out. And then I have some extra toilet paper, wipes, dog bags, everything like that, that goes right behind it. So it's all like extra storage that I can reach so much easier now that I have this seat that I can pull forward. Oh, I gotta move Pippa's tail, can't smush it. And then Pippa's bed is right here. I just have my like brush and daily things and my cooler up front, and in front of that I have my shoes stored up here. It's kind of messy, and then my laptop cord, because honestly that laptop cord is so long I don't know where to put it. It gets in the way everywhere I've ever moved it. Okay guys, as you can see, a little disheveled from the wind, but everything is put back in. Everything has been wiped down, vacuumed, organized, everything like that. The last thing I really need to do in here, and I do every few months or so anyways, is to go through like all my little bins of stuff. I did not have the patience to do that today with how windy it was outside. Everything kept blowing over. But that's the one thing I really like about how it is set up now, is that because it's summer, I picked up my other chair, I picked up my table and everything like that. And so I have a place now to just slide them right underneath my bed. So they're super accessible, so I can sit outside more and everything like that. But I've been super happy having the seat back in. I don't know why it makes me feel so much better to have the seat back in. It just really does. So Pippa's drinking. It just makes me feel better to have it back in, and it makes me feel more at peace, and that's all I'm ever going for, is whatever makes me happy, I'm going to do it. Whether it's a popular opinion or not, it really doesn't matter to me. Normally on these days I would have taken my foam off of my bed, like off of my mattress, and like let everything sit in the sun and do all of that while I was cleaning. But it was just so windy today, I had to keep everything intact and together because it would have literally blown away. My table even blew over at one point during the video that you guys didn't see. It's like 50-mile-per-hour winds here. It's like a lot of wind. It's not just like a breeze. But yeah, I'm glad it's done. It makes me feel accomplished for the day. But I try to do this once every couple months, and it just makes me feel good. It makes me happy to have everything nice and clean and picked up. So I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.